A widower lost the love of his life.
Yes, and now he has lost tens of thousands of dollars because his insurance hasn't reimbursed him for her medical bills.
He asked CBS 2's investigator Kristine Lazar for help, and she joins us now with this story.
It was a very hard interview. He's still very emotional. It's all still very raw, and this is just kind of opening that wound for him. Now, if you are overseas and you need emergency care, your insurance company is required to cover you. But one high desert man has found getting his insurance company to pay has been a long and emotional road. After 22 years together, Riley Jackson's wife, Araceli, died suddenly back in January.
It's been tough.
Araceli was visiting relatives in the Philippines when she came down with bronchopneumonia. She was rushed to a local hospital and was inpatient for 10 days. As she was leaving the hospital, she had a heart attack and slipped into a coma and died 2 weeks later.
She just didn't have the strength to recover.
Her fight is over, but Riley's has just begun. He spent the past 6 months trying to get his health insurance to cover Araceli's hospital bills from the Philippines.
I never expected this from Kaiser.
All of her bills were paid up front. Araceli's relatives were kind enough to step up, and Riley reimbursed them as soon as he flew into town.
How much in American dollars was her care over there?
American dollars, $29,000.
While still overseas, Riley says he called Kaiser to inquire about filing a claim. Once home, he says he sent them everything they asked for.
This is the original claim form.
He showed Two on Your Side copies of what he put in the packet, including her death certificate, hospital bills, and payment receipts.
I sent everything. I put it in a package, sent it back to Kaiser on the 30th of January.
1 month passed without hearing from Kaiser, so Riley called customer service.
And he said that you'll be getting a correspondence from Kaiser within the next 5 to 7 business days. I never received the correspondence in the mail.
So he called again in April and says a Kaiser rep told him they didn't have a claim number for his case.
I said, you know, how come you don't have a claim number? She couldn't answer it.
Riley says twice he was promised to call back, which didn't happen. He finally got a supervisor on the line in June.
I'm going to babysit this for you. That's her exact words. I'm going to babysit these issues for you. And she said, I'll call you back.
She called back once, Riley says, but then hasn't returned the last 3 phone calls he's made to her. Still no claim number, still no word of reimbursement.
My wife and I, we've been with Kaiser for many, many years. Many, many years. And to get treated like this.
Why did you contact us?
I needed help. I wasn't getting it from them. I wasn't getting any support or help from them.
The California Department of Insurance tells Two on Your Side that insurance companies are required to cover emergency care if a participant is out of the country.
I thought they were better. I thought they were better than this.
Kaiser would not talk to us about Riley's case, citing privacy laws, but they did assure us they were looking into the matter. The day we contacted them, they called him, finally, and promised to put their claims director on his case and expedite the matter. And another Two on Your Side resolution for you. Earlier this week, we showed you a terribly torn up sidewalk that was keeping the homeowner and her disabled husband from using their South LA driveway. Now, she'd been bugging the city for nearly a decade to fix it. And after our story aired, the Carpenters Union went out and fixed the sidewalk for free. Councilman Marquise Harris Dawson helped coordinate that for us. So,
great job.
Thank you.
Bring results, Kristine.
Well, that's what we do, you know, and it's sad that we have to sometimes hold people's feet to the fire to get results, but that's what we're here to do. And hopefully with the gentleman, you know, he can finally get this resolved so he can work on healing and mourning and not have to make all these phone calls and open up all these files and look at her death certificate.
Like real closure.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Kristine. Well, can Two on Your Side help you? Just email us at twoonyourside@cbs.com with your problem, or on Twitter, use the hashtag #TwoOnYourSide, and Kristine will see what she can do to help you solve it.
And as we just saw, she gets results.
Yep.